McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share.
Hello Ghana, hi, my name is Nana McBrown and I'm bringing you McBrown's Kitchen right from my car. Hey, I don't know what came into no, me mama kwaba me di sadia makana enwane Nana McBrown Empress Uno. You know how we do today too, we are about to cook your favorite soup or your favorite food and I know you love it. And that's what me I said that my high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Empress, you know, many high sense. Ya titi bibi also say who? No na wakan. Not me I said that my tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. And then say your mama jollof because kakrebi ade aduane no. Na to say who? What I say? The lay mackerel, the lay sardine. Picture like that. Nampa don't penim. The lebusian munim that annuncio ede. Sa na we high sense free jimwa. Awake mineral water. Awake in super papa. Na share awake. Na share royal drinks. Royal apple, royal cola, royal cocktail, royal orange. Oti ase. Na me kan sue wansem kakra. Na me kan besi so say. Dodo bia ye tono. Eno ho na kasapreko hwe. Etimfaso bum de ko Kolebu Cardio Center. Enti mo moame na ye ma awake nsuo enkoso na ye nya faso puduo emfa nkobo akolebu. Enti no McBrown me twa me ho aba badansa na mekono. Enne me amenie me short hair every beauty bow salon and spa. Cause spa ho na ye ntwetwe ye miamiao na wada form. Ye nya pedicure, manicure. Trese utri ho ba bia ensiesie East Legon and the dance man. Many makeup ya Aligina makeover. Alice, koye 3 days classes never boa. At the same time, no, na nyonyo ediane pafie, nyonyo mami crew ediane di, nyonyo shema hoho, nyonyo ye party, weddings akese, nyonyo take care. Kama. Na me dia seda ma Royal Couture. Royal Couture na etwa nice. I mean, Natadia Isano. And sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. I said, come on. Me try to say, Empress. Me yamaba is a brim. Today, I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Ama, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
It's 18th February, Equipim 8th March, and your high sense aircon mega promo.
If you be a Ghana air conditions, if you say or shoe
So dime.
Baby, now we calm down.
you're using high sense air condition, oh no, na guy.
Oh, hey, I am me.
Kojo, high sense air condition, papa.
Oh, Mammy,
High sense air condition, effect, entry power, a wedjuma, not chilling.
As a temperature not soon. Oh.
Over room up a pem SCSA. Still, none of what they need dinner.
High sense air conditioning. Chiributa.
A Hisense Aircon Mega Promo.
We're a Hisense showroom, yeah. Yeah, to swam say, who, I feel free. Hi.
351251.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Na, ye try ye ho abai. Ye be no aduane. Na de me ne me sexy friend bi na ba ye aduane no. Oh, guy we den ho ye fe. Oba pe wa be hu me ya da no. Me feeling no. James Gardiner. Na me pesa me born favorite song mano ansa. DJ yan ntama me. Na James you should have been a musician oh. Hola! Boy.
You make me wanna
rearrange the alphabet.
so I go put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. Hey, if you leave me, the same with just house. Oh, Benny, what's up? Baby, brownie, go to tree chocolate, yeah. Bitch, I'm brownie, yeah. Each and every day, me, yeah.
My brother, Vivian to me. I know now.
That's right.
I don't know, but my finger. Let's go.
For everywhere I did.
Yeah. You don't do what?
I did sing.
All the money lonely banner.
Chat to me, chat to me, hey.
With Charlie Carigo,
Carry
champagne, and I was
in
a
Malibu, and I did not eat just for
Me
two.
no
Baby,
thank you.
hey.
Oh, there is no dull moment with James
No
Gardiner.
dull moment, no dull
Everybody,
moment.
James, Mama
No
was
dull
sweating.
moment. Hey.
Mama was sweating. JJ, na no my kitchen.
Me that's
Mob everywhere.
Me that's it.
Hey, you want so?
Ooh,
We are too funky. We are too cratchy. Just say, a man to me, na James or girl. James
Hey,
or worry.
no.
James, I'm CDM no.
Wundiam.
Because me to me, ya no man.
Omundiam.
Too much nice.
James Gardiner GH.
Yeah, man are fine.
Instagram.
Man are girls. Man are fine. Man are sexy. Man are James right there, you know.
I did cry like
we. Yeah, so I mean,
the way I'd see the SE05 failure.
Man are James. Man are sexy.
Oh, hard it.
Man are fine.
Much.
I'm so mundi no na munja me friend question am na man e abroche phone. That's my crush. My brown's kitchen na bra.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no aduane.
Okay.
Man are wash your hand.
Yeah.
Right. Aba. I don't know why you're a musician.
Oh, say also Obia ni
Oh,
path.
Debbie.
Obia ni path. Oh, it to be a path no, you don't choose to tread. Path na say share. Oh, nanti I was a pineapple boba say
na be share.
That's it.
Me who say oba no tete. Aboba me. James Gardiner, you like my kitchen?
Yeah, I like your kitchen. It looks
oh,
really
well,
nice.
James, Mama was sweating. Oh, there's some minimum brava.
Oh, tissue.
Oh, Jeff, I wish I had and then one I'll be used
Okay.
That's what the media besha. McBrown's kitchen near James Gardiner and the one. I jay a benoit jene.
Say, energy.
Mama was sweating by a normal.
Mama sweated about the song, but it was a good entry. What I say? And then, no. But they will call the gentleman soup way.
The gentleman
soup way. Who can watch your own?
The gentleman soup way.
As I say.
Okay. And
yeah, Baba, yeah.
No, watch your own kakra. Okay.
Pepper tilapia soup.
Yeah, but yeah, pepper.
Who's that tilapia? The name
That's right.
And yes, you still taste it, the rawness and stuff like that. Yes, you wouldn't want that. You wouldn't want that. So
James Kafra.
And yes,
Kafra or neck, but sweat in the door. One sound yes, some mama shed here for. Oh my God, you're already.
I feel when I go on about starting.
Sir, I shouldn't be bothered.
Don't be bothered, cry. Wow. Some of us are not like used to some kind of activities and all of that. You understand what I mean? Hot pepper tilapia soup.
Hot pepper tilapia.
And a baba ye. And here the fufu. Abon kakra.
Na fufu asa powder ya babo anyone na dey. Powdered fufu ni bia.
Yebeka but what the way be say can no be say no experience dey tree.
Experience dey tree.
Yes, you enjoy.
Oh, okay. And the usual ingredients I dey buy hot pepper tilapia. Too much.
Okay, and then we're going to have a little twist. Not the everyday boring tomato, pepper,
okay.
This time I chose to add cucumber and carrots.
You're right, and cucumber. Cucumber, carrots.
Yeah, I choose to add cucumber, and carrots.
And carrots.
Yeah, in the long run, we will see how it will go.
Next, and then are you tilapia and quino?
Yes.
Yeah, the cucumber and a cucumber.
Yes.
And a cucumber.
Yeah, the cucumber.
Oh, yes, overhiding. Yeah, the cucumber.
Yeah.
And the carrots. And the tilapia pepper soup. No.
Yes.
Wow. Obi to Obeka say, oh, ebi a minute carrot ya dem kwana cucumber so e near the bat yenhwe James Unza.
Yes. O de omo steady no mo nhwe the way than besi akọ. Ena tilapia ni.
Tilapia no.
Yes. Where yes, tilapia naturally a soft into no. Me pese me de beef. Salted beef kakra be box no.
Be box.
So yes,
okay.
into no. Wo de yenhwe.
Me who tasty tom so. Powdered
tasty tom wa.
Fufu no so.
Yes.
And then was salted beef now.
Salted beef no.
And kruma so dey here.
By all means, because and then they I say we dry one bo powder. We dry we so bo powder. It's in kruma no not just say.
James, yes, starting one.
Yes, starting. Okay, it's best started by blending some few things.
Okay. Wow. James Gardiner.
Oh, Nana.
Obi beka say na James cook kitchen.
Me cook kitchen pa.
Yes, kitchen. That's your kitchen.
Omo send DM no mo share there.
Omo send DM no say ma catch them DM him. Ginger beba mbia na ginger mba ha. Okay, so in the course you be hu.
But ginger beba. Ma me fa ginger no so mbra.
Okay. And then tilapia soup na different ebusan for.
Okay, cool.
Usa auto abana. Usa na dem usa auto vida. Abana the go na to come.
But you don't have a monopoly. Sorry, I have no idea what you're talking about. No, but I must say I'm a huge fan of your show. I like how you go about your own stuff. You know what you do, you own it. I really admire.
Oh yeah.
And yet that
my fans
na be.
Oh yes, I'm at here. What's the cool?
To show me picture.
Hey, won't me tell you.
Hey, DK me na go. Yes, I'm mistake here.
Hey, so DJ, why DK me no dia no?
Oh yes, see.
Me no episode no ya o.
Ezenka o mani picture the Who dey know and onya ba o show no so.
Na me say obeyi me nyoma na go from.
Then it was a wise decision.
TV no be bo ni ade. Na ni be go ase.
Hey, now blend na here.
I told you.
Serious.
So what's next?
Yeah. So Pacho bet me aso. Ejana mama na yemfa beef no.
Yeah, the beef no na e bon fine ase.
Nti we no. Any beef no.
Na
ebeko together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Enti tilapia soup near the beef near
started. Yeah, the beef never started.
Okay.
So na make catch up because the way a tilapia is sitting no. Tilapia no because of how soft it in a pack crocro. They say ma. So no you see crocro ma so you wait until the soup is just about right.
Tilapia is a Jezebel.
What's it?
Oh, go no. Oh, but Daniel Gumkra.
Oh, na me pesa me to me bona nkofo hu ne me ye no. Wo
otherwise. Man be ha won say the okokro nam ne yo. Otherwise Olympics. I say wo.
So we be persevere kakre be yen resen na kakre be perfect.
Okay. Oh, me so you but I
yeah.
All right. Wow. Yeah, tilapia soup na.
It's on the way.
It's on the way, you know. Oh, spice in the cacao.
And the spice in the cacao. Pacho sen kamenya spoon.
Yes. McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you very much.
We have BBA, would there be a drawers in
That's it.
Are you okay?
Okay.
All right. Nti say ye wie ho na na say bibi foforo beko.
So no I would like for the tasty tom to go in.
Inside.
Yes, I think maybe a bit use about 2 based on spoon. I used to be 2. 2 spoons.
It's a tasty tom.
Yes, because easy, eventually, you know, the other near my baby so color no, you will need that to just brighten it a little.
Oh my God! So you advert kakrama me. What am I? Oh, what you say? Me do want dance. I'm going to me na me James, you do all.
No.
You do all. This is your water and this is mine.
Yes.
It's tasty tom salted beef.
Yes, definitely.
Nice. Okay. And I've always said tasty tom. I will conquer. What is your feed man yet?
Yes. You always have to.
So there be also a titigu plastic.
Yes.
Now they are shifting. In the meantime.
So when you sound quite now, I say, "Udin toast be go up. No way you know about be any say no about be any say that we are shortcuts. Your blender papa and your baby saying you know."
Okay, now so when you have to say the okana cucumber, carrot, hot tilapia soup.
I'm away sharp, maybe too much.
Oh, say experience no count. Yeah, the experience na come.
Yes, I'm beef you. I'll bomb me quite chair.
Na say watch it. Watch it. And they will be bomb me be the set me the can double.
Yes, that's it.
Na James
tomatoes me you. Me mama asantini, me papa ya fantini.
Sir.
Yes. It's me boha.
Asante. James unim ni oye.
Oh.
You came. Fantini that means unim jare.
Yeah, you know
kakra.
Next time me back.
Na fantini fifi ana eko ana say
Echo. Thursday bonds are called
Echo.
Aye.
Oh, Paco.
Yes, you are changing by your body. Yeah.
Who say who be a who? Who be a who? We are fine. I don't walk as I any anything. Who be a who? Wow. Kuma na Santana so hefa.
Agona Santi. Agona Kasanta Salt Pond.
Oh, okay. Wow. James Gardiner, ntina ukra abofudi mi no.
Me papa.
James Efu. Ana. Ani James Farm. But Gardiner can say every chifu. Backyard farm.
Nana.
Come on. Who is we come McBrown and Tom Brown.
Tom Brown you fine. Tom Brown. Nana, I'm a Tom Brown. You get me?
Yeah, James Gardiner. Yeah, I'm going to you. Now, James, who started school with him for?
Basic education, Mr. T war Star Avenue. It's me Free Star Avenue, no. Sorry. Me Free Star Avenue, no. And I'm a called Star of the East. Me mama too quiet, so I had to go and live with my grandma.
Where?
Ewo Taifa.
Okay.
Yes. So from Taifa, no. I graduated to St. Augustine's College.
Oh, okay.
That's in Cape Coast. Yes.
And no, I'm on Samra near then.
And yeah, action. No, action in Kotin.
Action and
yeah, only action.
Yes.
Forward movements. And action in Kotin. From home, I'm called University of Cape Coast.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's what you're bringing now.
Fancy papa.
Wow. Who goes to school, university? Don't lodge in here.
That we call a Bachelor of Arts. I read English, philosophy, history, and classics, but I majored in philosophy. The plan is to read law.
I majored in philosophy.
No, don't mind the seeds because we are your best CV, your best son. Gone are the days when you let the seeds, you know,
out. Once I blend in the camera.
Come up, papa.
No, a cosar, not a cucumber. No.
Yes, I know cucumber.
Abem cucumber.
Yes, I mean check it out. Oh, come on.
Wow. Hey, McBrown's kitchen, there may be very as you. But we will need a cucumber and find out.
Oh, sir.
And a cucumber and find out.
It's 2018. You are bound to learn some new things.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No artist. So I sense that. Which did you know?
Na price is say. Ne boye for na ne boye den.
Oh, where ne boye den.
We so matete so.
Say who? Wow, me gidi is baby. What's your best so?
Ah, you be serious nana.
Oh, okay. Wow. It smell good.
Sa ma me so. Ah, o me ka show nana. O de tobu ye mfen gu mu be hu magic no.
Wow.
So be pa mama.
You be serious.
Yeah.
Sieve number 1, sieve number 2. Yemfa wenye.
Yemfa wenye.
Say ye we ana.
Yeah, dia na tomato seeds.
Okay. Ntino, ebusafo mo hwe ya yenkwan na yegusu ayeye no. They are blending your tomatoes, cucumber, and a carrot. And no name nkwan no ankasa no. Ni ingredients ni no nyado afe. And nyado amaha. Ntino we vegetable soup.
Yeah, we vegetable
soup. Hwe nensa wode bo Paco. Paco ha jene. Say nkwan ti me shama wana.
No, I'm not.
Wow. Paco na ye nkwan no.
Nkwan de bedoso pa na.
Say nkwan.
Bedoso.
And I won't am no so doso. Actually when you cross if we eat me sa blend kakra say enye enough mawa.
Sa. Okay. Yenhwe
oh. Okay.
I'm checking kwan.
Checking kwan. All right. Yen kwan na James oh ye na he.
Kama.
Aye kama ho.
Nyago.
We memma kwan yen cheja ho.
Dabi. Yen chesa.
Yen chekra di.
Okay.
I think say. You bet me aso ni na. Wow. And quite dear. Me try be with you.
We need better. It's nice. You be do here answer.
Me so me be na me dey brim me sa. Brim send so what I say me dey brim na so. Once you blend it.
Are you fine pa? We are too much.
Yes.
It's in your kitchen.
So what I say. And I was waba. And I be che me advert we oh.
But you remember me share with.
Me share. Wow. Ebusafo nkwan na ye no James Gardiner Paco.
Yes.
Ofite wa sebe bia. Wa se Paco be hian so kakra na ye.
Sisi the entren kakra.
All right. Oh, okay. Paco wa sebe bia. Na sa won kwan yi dia. Basically 20 minutes.
20 minutes near we. Fast. Me say be here so kakra.
Me man so kakra. I take on.
Yeah, I take. But you na spoon here why?
Spoon no here. Yeah.
Yes.
And said the nkwan na ye fe no. Ma me paper ho kakra ma. Right. Pacho pa insu ni ni a.
Pacho. Shake cream.
Me shake cream.
Medas.
Ebusafo ya wie ye nkwan no. Ya wie ye nkwan na ka se.
Aka tilapia no.
Ye tilapia no be kom. Wow.
Come.
Aye come.
Tanya is it. Meet the way to.
We dey say no na ade nkwan no I want stand dada. Inti no we ye say enka ho.
Oh, okay.
Enka fo. I want stand dada.
Equipment and
gadgets
and equipment.
Inti ya buy a fish no so right.
Buy a fish no so buta.
We fish.
We water region. Kama buta.
Kama pa. Ya hohoro ho dada baba who say we so for line.
Yes.
No so you come to do something?
I'm coming to do something. Yeah, Benny say you squeeze a bit of lime. At the good tilapia so just so it stays fresh.
And numb said
you know. Yeah.
Having ticket.
Yeah, you understand that. Into the BBC no. We squeeze kakra go so say.
Na yi no.
Kakra nkone gills ni muni ade ade ni na.
Na ye bie ha na.
Ni na be komo.
Okay. Mana James.
What I say? Yem pesa will be tasty any sort of raw.
Yeah.
What I say? That be penny.
Mana James.
Mana
tilapia.
So much, no. I know that come many gills, no. Yes. Can win gills.
So you English.
But yeah, English is.
As I kind of muffin. Fish, I say muffin.
Muffin.
The tree, madam.
I love it.
Tree, madam.
Sorry.
The
gills. Gills. I think so because of the size. They are 3.
Okay.
Ese nam kakra ba etinu ho. Anya sa omo bi nitina. Ansho na ne buefu.
Okay. Okay, channel 3.
Yeah. E wusi kan ya na edin pa.
Yes.
No, it works. I'm even surprised. This is on McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen. What that's it?
Yeah, I'm saying Bidiago. David.
So I have equipment to go idea, Jumano.
Yes, what's to say professional.
You're fishing and I eat channel. And you make who will not
infant to
and you're ready and they come back here. No use again. Finish?
No, finish. Okay. Because I have front and back, so it's okay.
Okay. Yes.
So we'll still even have the residue of lemon, residue, no?
Residue. Next, what was I saying? Still lemon, no?
You better remove fire.
James, in my McBrown's kitchen now, when I die, I'm
Lala.
Yes.
Good night for the sharp, papa.
And Tia no Sean say Yama, because they check us and cry. I'm a nice small.
Metissa didn't issue.
Wow. James, who by it in Anna, because I have no such anything.
Tabia, Nana, marry it.
She fish you so you're
Yeah.
Right. Me show fine.
Right. That's we are too much.
Hard. Yeah, we fish no, and ye January lime ni musa.
Kakrebi ke kansana.
Eh.
Tutu ni ade. Pepe kakra so I dey.
Awono,
yes.
Okay.
Nana many tissue ana.
Oh yes. Me who da. And your fault. So no dos. James Gardiner. Na James who go school no we what the certificate na year juma na we here sini straight.
Oh, certificate me the juma kakra or Joy FM multimedia. Yeah, I started off as a national service intern and I was discovered somewhere somehow. Omo your show your friend is Topsy Turvy. Na show no Topsy Turvy. You have someone who does maybe the evening news doing sports, someone who does sports doing the drive time.
And then you went to do something.
Yes, I was the only national service personnel who got the chance to do it. And I think they sort of realized that I had something. You know, my entertainment segment on the drive time, Bola Ray show no so. Yeah, the free honor no.
I'm not Bola the hostie.
And I'm Bola the hostie.
And I will
entertainment bit on the drive.
Okay.
And a little amongst some show. I will hit FM.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so they did one acting start here, so you know I had to.
Why a radio and
Oh yes. I had my own show
called
on Hits FM R&B Experience.
R&B Experience.
It was a 4-hour music show. Nana.
Sir.
And that's not me radio or Cape Coast. Not me radio or Cape Coast. University of Cape Coast.
Okay.
Yes.
That's experience no.
Kanaka crowd or
opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity to buy and I'm saying no, I had to take advantage of it.
Yes, and when you're busy, Sabri as I cover.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I'm pa.
Yeah, sure.
Because I can't imagine some James Gardiner. Oh, never
say quite maybe a confidence crowd, but at the time, no, I was still a little, you know,
young man.
Yeah, I was a novice.
Because who will never be a Hawaii. Unique.
And then Yamini Danasi.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, into
young who wake a crana.
Yeah, the pepper no. Okay.
Yeah,
because of a pepper no. Ya nyam bebre gumu dia but udi bebre gu ani no.
Udi gu ani. Yeah.
Man James. Na say we red gold green.
That be ready.
Ghana flag na ka we say.
Na be red na ka.
Oh, okay, James, but So far, so good, your soup. So far,
Sir.
so good.
But that's your friend, we are friend of hot tilapia soup. Yeah.
Jopa Belron Sunday free.
I like the way we kitchen, no. Bibia wa you don't have to, you know.
Raise it.
Oh, you don't have to struggle to look for things.
Bibia, where do ha? Na no cast up a powdered fufu, no, it's a member dear.
Sharp.
Tina Metia, say, where draw one my bibia.
When you're branky, be wo.
Hey.
Oh, na be one pepper.
It's another.
Ah,
What man there to say? Best of will be into that.
Dick came in a mishuman because I want to me or turn a tea code a chiba could see and shana some about.
Oh, that done then and I'm a boy, I'm so one, yes.
Because no, mistake, no, yes, but on won't mean intimates. It will be the Necano opinion, it is so I say, hey, one of them make on. Now,
that from Nakani Goja. I wish you have for a higher day. A higher sham, James. Say, dear, one man was only Mediane.
Oh, no,
dear, would still lime no, was it a wire then?
What's it?
So I say lime no, sure, my day.
Residue.
Oh, right. Residue, I say. And my friend also the same.
I don't
know how's everything.
Gills, yes. I feel
yes, you do. Now, we have a young quite not. Wow, James. When I am quite.
Yes, me.
And quite not, and quite too a yes sham.
Yeah.
Ooh, I found I did tilapia no. Air con quine him. When the man yet tilapia.
Yes.
Wow.
Hot pepper tilapia.
Say hot no. Say minyan kama no ke na me hu say o meko suni.
Ye de bi be ka.
Me ko koma. Say tilapia me ko ni koma na de hot na ba. Yes. Wow, James. Oh no. When they change coded. Oh no. Oh no. Hey. Wow.
Inti pepper ni say kwa no obi wo no mo a. Ebi ano no so ebi on shadam pepper sa.
Okay.
Inti no. Wo yo bi sa na, wo wi a obetimi eyi ato nchan. Wo pe wo susu yo bi na so officer pepper. Wo san kwa na wo de bi egu so. Na so wetimi anyam na wonya more flavor.
Na say wo di sa na wo mia na nsuo no. Egum.
So we will be our pepper.
Chef.
Oh, Nana.
Chef, you do all. Oh, quite any ayefo. Na me come say a cucumber. Your friend say carrot soup.
Yeah.
And not like cucumber and carrot near the yet like na pepper no ever call.
Hey, kitty.
Then krumano swear.
Yes, and no me here before for na mania.
Obe no on separate.
Me person me on separate.
Wow.
Me person me on separate.
And in krumano dey when you can't ever know we.
Obia and the style on ya na dey.
Yeah. Krumano never know we. Yeah, kakranti no. This is another.
Okay.
Knife.
Okay. Sani na wa appreciate kwa nkruma.
Nkruma no nie.
Nkruma no.
Yes. The Jan say ankata efe. So Jay, and I said the ankan fufu na.
Because
ye wi anasa. Powdered fufu bi on one so share no ansana. Wa hunu we sepe no hweguma na wo ye de say wo be no.
That be me de me mix it.
Wo be hunu no prep.
Answer me yes me hunu no prep.
Okay.
To work against.
You be canning right?
Na we too much. You be canning na because I come at the match. Yes.
We are fishy we I roll that antino. Yeah. No what to pan no.
Yes,
no.
Yeah,
that's right. James Gardiner.
And I see that you like to clean when you're cooking.
Yes, I know me home it.
Sir.
Nini na ka na mediane you we are eager so obedi no.
Okay.
Obedi ediane no.
Okay.
Wow. Nti me frana na wo frana.
Me frana na me frano. Ana.
Nti yo.
Yeah.
Okay. Ti me pese de wa no be de dem ti. Rosso.
Okay.
All right. Now obetumi abel ron san.
All right.
Mama on see we. James. Yankwa, Bushafo, DJ Wanuma, Bomin, Yamon.
Oh no, I saw no on him the dam. I'm the flavor and the tunes in United.
DJ Mr. Bonanum, no fan couple. Let's go. Hey.
I said, be about me and you say,
hey, James.
Best answer to me, Ola. Now, never be we patch up. Now, wait there.
Wow. Hey,
money me.
Ah,
eh, so Jano na.
Obiba manio.
Money me.
Aha. Nana no amonyum.
Oh,
because oni ye de. Mami a capella of enyuma o pepa, mami a capella. James mami a capella.
Sir.
Mami a capella o de nyum bia o pe bia.
Yes.
Mami a capella.
Anywhere you there, I'll go there. My sherry coco, my one and only.
Ewradia.
And if you call you one, I'll go hustle.
Hey.
So baby, take my heart, baby, carry go.
James Gardiner, James small farm.
Lala.
Ebusuafo ye diane no ekoye. Yen kwan no de mo amoni ehundare hot tilapia pepper soup.
Serious.
Ane. Fufu no so na James eka we powdered fufu. Nti no se wonim ka say ya process ba kwa betumi e dia kan ni. Ohunu no thickness no say de wo pe na say.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm all last song. And the also tell you. Did you last song? Bomba, and I am corner. And yes, I was my own view.
Yambo my own.
Yambo my own.
Yeah.
Did you give me my own? Okay, a cappella my own. Hola.
Hey. You make me wanna rearrange the alphabet so I could put you next to letter I.
Oh.
Take my heart, baby, carry go. Hey, Nituna suni sisi kete. Akabo futi jina no ya wese. Nisi mudra smile siri. I'm penny wasa minini chili.
Thank you. Today, I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Amma, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Effective 18th February, Equipim 8th March, a high sense aircon mega promo.
If you be a Ghana air conditions, if you say or shoe boom,
Shoot me.
Baby, now to calm down.
you're using high sense air condition. Oh no, na guy.
Oh, hey, I am me.
Kojo high sense air condition, papa.
Oh, Mammy, sir.
High sense air condition, effect, entry power, a wedjuma, not ceiling.
As a temperature, not so. Oh.
Uba room up a pem still nana ho de ne gina.
High sense air conditioning. Chiributa.
A Hisense Aircon Mega Promo.
Mura Hisense showroom bia. Ya tete so ama say hu. Afefrey. Hisense Ediane ped there. Ebusuafo James hot tilapia pepper soup. Are you ready? Someone who process no cucumber, carrot, tilapia soup. And then me baby dino. I said that can see a pan come James Gardiner. Now me the Hisense I say everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Delay mackerel and sardine. Nampa don't penny sardine so pet like that. Awake purified water. Ensure one for life. Yeah, Jay. Pacho jiti susi wa. Na
let me mute them.
Oh yeah. Who there some can say? Man James, man sexy. What I say? But Jay, McBrown's kitchen there. Oh my coffee empty-handed.
Sir.
Come chacha na back maybe say what is this? I know bet me I say air condition. I don't know. What do you kind so Jay message obe ben me kakra. Na me dey achede fefe free Hisense. Hisense say said you're a gentleman no.
Yeah.
Me for iron ni ma.
Wow.
What I say? A brand new.
Almost you different.
Oh yes. Emono rubber shehon, menu shehon bibia. We so your gas cooker, Amcom gas cooker. A metal me ho den pa.
Wow.
E bi wa Hisense showroom we nyina ne bo so efo. Na ne ho den. Nti ubetumi anya bi se ope bia. Nti Hisense me fanda wase.
Me do masepa.
Yeah, na me free Hisense pe. This is from Casapreco.
Wow.
Awake mineral water and a royal drinks. A be with fridge na me as a man serve you. And now we can go for me.
Let me easy.
Na James who near by here. It's a Mississippi a chair kakra. When you taste it to me, mammy, watch it. And no for mammy. Okay. Aye. Wait for delay mackerel and sardine. Amazing. And a tasty Tom so show.
Wonderful.
McBrown's kitchen, the Yendiagro. Hey. Yendiagro, yeah, good for Yendiagro, James. I tell you when you know from his sponsors. Wow. Delay say, when for now I say, tasty Tom, 7 for now I say, yeah, the best here. Okay. Yeah, they no sweating chair hop. Now, Faye. Ya ko tasty soup no. Yenko bio. Hot tilapia pepper soup. Serious. Je ya be oro yen sase fufuo na ye bedi. Fufuo na ye bedi so dia. Yen chewe. No time to waste. No time. Me de diane no ye say ya. Na man bufu kura metimi kasa fa acha de na ko. Because
na za ugwa we di diane ni na wa wati bi da. Member Shaman Fifred me we are now we did.
And who should the frato. But then you be didn't tell us for your best rather than our tear Johnny Wama. Yeah. Joe Bawana memo. Oh, bo. Memo empire. Bo. Me sure I'll be empire bo pansy bo. I'm a bopa empire and the cranny pie dear drew how to say. Yeah, you need certificate and call university is about the God what I said. That's all. Already I was said the audio man what to hold that. And nothing yet to me a way. You better did shiraso aduminti. Amen. Amen. You're right. You're right. A quick one. I was for when you be working now. You are far away. Hey. Chiaho near one of a chiaho. And I'm with the one at a time. Over two and I will leave at first. You want the head or you want the who can open it too? With the mama on chain. Oh, mama. I what I say. And the tino there when you be bro kaka. Okay. Tino there what if you akonya so a? Che nwonya botra mani tino. Enkwan yi dear James. Wa bon kwan. Na won say wo the beef bi so hihye mu. No hihye. Sure James. Aha. Oh baby. You like Tolo?
Yeah, I like Tolo. You know, I don't joke with a Tolo.
Tolo beef?
Yeah.
My name's open coin. What do you find for?
Sundays, pay.
Sundays when I don't find it. Oh, okay. O me kono so na me se sabi egu so ama. That's it. Oi.
Oh, it's ready, fam.
Nene. Ya 7 year ho awie nti Jay. Baby I do it there. Answer me plate here for pa. Everything home. Aye, they are 7 they dey no aduane no nyina everything home. Aye. Nti abusuafo. Wow, fufu ne kan yo ba hun say so kamana.
Yes.
Kumana short I say.
Oh, no, me nya bad sao.
Jay.
Nya bad. That's what.
No na ye. They Ghana for more witness there but you I read there. James na ye ngwan.
Meow, meow 419.
Cucumber. Kwan ya befa so abeka ni nyina.
Ni na erem.
Ekosi ba na so. Ah. Diani ye there.
Me that's it.
James Gardiner.
Me that's it.
James, how long now why active for Robert TV so?
I think I'm in my 10th year.
10th year.
Yes. Yes.
You say Miracle Films. Any whom mobile. No my opportunity. Well, one my opportunity.
No, would you? Me. Samarufi Kwanza.
Ani kuchi.
And
na Rufi was saying.
Oh, US is here.
Wow.
Rufi no man, me very
Rufi,
first
shout out
to Samarufi Kwanza.
Yeah.
Na me true sir, me hope pussy. But I was able to keep it under control.
Then no movie ben.
I think the very first one was Desperate to Survive. And my next one was a major role. Na me need to hear now. Be I can say
now also coffee na no na also slow.
Me can't dear me am so as me a slow boy. I wouldn't have brand here shade. Then you slow.
They say confidence number.
It wasn't about confidence.
It was about
I was being this is someone I did be a mission with TV so na say ukata we ni be a original we ni yesifina no. Na sa na few bia no. I was being real, you get me?
Yeah, na ko say. But as an actor, there sen kind of them found.
That was my second movie.
Until I'm say confidence na ban.
See, so much as at the time, no. It wasn't, confidence level, no, it was low. Whoa.
But so him say man no ya daw.
You say nyame ya da na say.
Onye. Him the man ya daw.
When I'm saying nyame ya da na say, so man can say.
Because Canada, my girl be sharing. But you know my crush?
Who's that?
Oh, when are you coming next? Can you come with James Gardiner? Hey. The background on YouTube, but no. But James, are you in a relationship?
Yes, I am.
Serious or?
Oh, that's it. If I say it's not serious, and I'm not being fair to the other party. But yes, I'm in a relationship.
You're in a relationship?
Yes.
Well, boom, bro. Wakuma boom, say Sia, there, why you?
Nana. And yes, you know, so one way or the other, no.
Well, then, yeah, obey him. Yeah, they do, baby, I know I fix reality.
Yes.
No, say, yeah. Anyway, JJ. Yes, at the moment, what are you doing?
Well, okay. At the moment, I have some things I do on the side, but I've had a huge, thoughts about having to go back to Nigeria. Makwaba. I want to make sure, I want to make sure, I don't, face out for a very long time. So I always have to keep going back and make sure that, you play home and away. And you don't only take care of home and then leave away. You need to also make sure that you're taking care of away as well.
Yeah, but and I made the away no mean time.
Hey, Nana.
My home no sir. But kwami home ne de. Home no be home so me dey busu.
It's no problem because home na so that bench any problem or but so home na so e
captain. Born 90 minutes. You say captain bando.
Serious.
Already I just said you all me hu nyina. Can we talk about the businesses? If there's any promo we can do,
well, yeah.
McBrown's Kitchen, a Kwechi. Yes, a Kwechi.
I've started a car rental company. Yeah, so if anyone wants, to rent a car,
for whatsoever occasion, be
Kaketwa or
Kakesiye, but we mainly deal in the big cars. So
4x4.
Yes.
The Prado type.
Yes, V8, things like that. So if you need maybe for weddings or for trips or for corporate use, whatever it is, just
Hello.
Yes.
On Fred number Bain and on office Bain.
I'll be in the meantime there. When you're sending me DM. A business yesterday is my little baby. So I'm now growing.
Who say Jim, no be an name DM. DM to say wako Instagram. Now wako message side or no.
Yes.
And your comment or no.
Yes.
Okay, you can send it through the comment, but comment will be a who. Wako DM. Now be one more now. Okay, the kind of people in the car they will definitely know DM. Yeah, because Uber no be no I can say. Oh yes.
Yes.
Send it James Gardiner on the page Instagram. Let's send in a DM.
Yeah.
Hi James, I'd like to rent one of your cars right there.
And no.
Because now man the two James own that. Then I just open rep.
Because in as much as it might sound easy, it's not easy operating a rental company. Slowly, I'm getting there, and we'll get bigger.
To your beef.
To
your beef. James, me that's so bad. I did ask me to mean to your beef. Excuse me, Mary. I was not for McBrown's kitchen here. Yeah, that James Gardiner and then quite we also here be with fear. Cucumber and a carrot. And yeah, they are simple. And I'm your penny womb. Tolo beef, salted beef, and a tilapia no penny womb. But that's a pass out here and I mean himself when near home. I know to me that's my high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom. The only tomato makes a vitamins and a fiber woman. My maid, no, you many pediano. Delay mackerel, nampa don't penny. Delay sardine, pet share like that. And not to delay say, or per se curious to be out on the product. If I'm paso, and not in a McBrown, maybe one the Ramanon. Into Fred George 0546 768699. Now George in supply will be. Say and cry, say tamale, say Sunyana bebia. George no be dealing. Maybe I said that Emma awake. And so when Kwan met me account for amount. When I won't no man a journey. Yayare Saho. Kwalebu Cardio Center. Ye yin to bois de bois ho. Emma adofo bebre nya son faso. Intimida kasa preko so ase. Ma bo me main sponsor section. Ewie no. E che ye me nua mo support me. Na James wa hai. Wo fa phone na odi am no wi a titiriu so wo be ye wedding. Engagement who took one cover now here car DM James kada say me nti discount what DM na wie no wedding engagement for no hwehwe beauty bow for na follow process no beauty bow hair and spa salon and spa o me yo tina kama amount o mbe twetwe o mbe miamia amada no duru abaye fom e we East Legon wa na Legina makeover wo beauty bow treat tu wa wie na Legina twa makeover. That's why your makeup come engagement party wedding bibia come. It's Legon wa. So when you say your party, your wedding, your program, you be here aduane. The nunti na be here nyonyo. It's Legon wa nyonyo sheho. O sa o mu nyina wo Instagram. Nti unya nyonyo pe. Nyonyo be serve wa ho aduane ni nyina. Bo mi di wo ba bia. Na party o wedding e dey abe shatter the wedding gown no so no. Mata dey every royal couture. O mu be dwudwu kama. Ni nyina abomidin na je discount what you say na why wedding no aye bibia wie no so be come ni mu so be je wa home because what bre e ho na be hia La Palm Royal Beach wo be ko ho also bomidin ne ma discount nti edidi so maboafo nketo o mu support me ni na me share mu nyina ye be share na o chwe se na McBrown's Kitchen or YouTube kama went to me and share na ma ne how subscribe channel no na share ho ma no what Jay me da sepa nya me show na mediane na McBrown call me Empress yeah be san kwan you got me nti e be share is a brief moment
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.